G'day guys, I'm back out smashing the rats again tonight. Just pulled up on property and they're running around through the aviaries already. So, no time to waste, let's hook straight into them.
Got the tiniest little gap. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, what a shot. That's insane. There we go, that's a bit better. Oh, I'd say that's a bit of a splatter rat. Got that. This little shit.
Something I haven't talked about before is how versatile and adjustable these air rifles are. You see the little dials just above my hand there? That allows me to either dial up or dial down the pressure that I'm running the pellets at. So 650 feet per second is ideal for these, if I can get it to focus, Hades pellets. And what that negates is damage to the infrastructure. So still effective enough to kill the rats, but it's not going to go and put holes in the tin and the shelters. So a really good all-rounder for this type of work.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, this thing is so accurate. As long as you can sneak it through the gap. They are cactus. Stick your head down. Like that. Sayonara, baby. Just you guys aren't making it easy. Not that time. Over that one, under that one. Wow. And smoking. Let's hit the branch. Not that time I didn't. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, cleaned him up.
For the viewers out there that haven't had the luxury of using thermal before, you probably wonder why sometimes the rats show up white and other times they show up black in the footage. That's because we have the ability to choose which colour palette we want to operate in. By choosing white hot, obviously the hotter the object, the whiter and brighter it will be, and the colder it is, the darker it is, and vice versa when you choose black hot. The reason that I transition between the two, especially with this type of shooting, is because when the rats are up in the tree, sometimes black hot gives them a little bit more definition and I can work out exactly where to place a shot. Other times when they're down in the aviaries, white hot works a little bit better. So I hope that clears things up a little bit for you.
Oh, shouldn't laugh, but it is fun. Wow. Back. Try and get one through these leaves. Your head's on the right, isn't it, buddy? You're done. You know you're done. Oh, that's three.
Well, that's it for tonight. Certainly smashed a lot of rats. I think the final tally was just over 60. Fair bit of cleaning up for the property owner to do tomorrow morning, but I'm sure she'll be more than happy to do so. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to catching up with you next time.